Okay, guys, today we're gonna interview. Yes, I am. Yes, I am recording. So, please, do anything. So, hi. What is your What is your name? It's not like I don't know this guy, but um, um, I'm interviewing right now. I'm interviewing right now, and I'm Rec, and I'm Rec, and I'm Rec. Everything you say will be Rec. Okay. So, age is it 9? No, I mean Roblox age. I mean Roblox age. Like 9 years. Uh, yeah. Yeah. I bet. Wait. I bet you're older than my grandfather, cause you have been here for like a long time ago, brother. You gotta stop. The Black Death was like gone, already gone. Why do you need to do that now? There, 3 years. Boy, mine is. Anyways, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I'm gonna just look at my window. Also, if you don't, cheeseburger. Okay. So, anyways, if you don't believe me, he's saying that. Look right here. Anyways, so yeah, my one. So, anyways, gotta check if, yeah, whatever. Anyways, so, okay. What is your favorite thing? What is your favorite hobby? I like drawing. I like gamer, cause I am a gamer. Wow, excavator, 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 excavator. Oh. Playing Roblox and banning scam games. I wish I can actually ban those. Yeah, me too. Even those Robux scams. Also, my dad's snoring because he's sleeping. I'm not a mod. Oh, look at the time. Oh, okay. It was nice viewing you. hope you had a good time. Hope you had a good time. Do you want to say anything else? Also, yeah, we gotta leave. You got yeah, don't trust this man. Don't trust this man. He okay? Wait. Okay. Yeah, bye. Bye, Mr. Bird. Bye, Mr. Bird. Gonna go into the ocean now. That's where I don't belong. I gotta run. Ah! He's chasing me. He's chasing me. Okay. Birds don't like water. Ah! Oh, he will never find me here. I'm gonna just respawn. I don't know, we're just actually playing the... I tricked him. Okay, he's coming back. He do be coming back, though. Ah! Goodbye. Bye. I'll fall off now. Bye. His username is still there. Yeah. I'm gonna just drag my furry thing. I'm gonna leave too. So /e-rave. See you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.